Hi, I'm Karen Sutherland from Edible Eden Design, and today I'd like to share with you the unboxing and review of my new Stihl GTA26. So let's take a look what's inside the box. We find a beautiful compact carry case, which, as you can see inside, holds everything we need to carry this fantastic tool around. Opening it up, so beautiful. Oh, that's probably a guarantee. We find the charger, some nice Stihl oil, the battery, which will be subsequently charged soon. You've got lots of solar panels, and this is a good thing. And most exciting of all, the pruning saw with its lovely little cover. So let's get the battery charged and get outside in the garden and do some testing.